Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern, and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device. So in this kind of situation, firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. When the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. When you see this no command message, what you should do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select an option wipe data factory reset, then select factory data reset, and after you see the message data wipe complete, select an option reboot system now, and device will be restarted in about like 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Let's hope for it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.